Coding Workshop Explained, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an exciting and increasingly popular topic, coding workshops. Whether you're new to the world of programming or just curious about what happens in these workshops, this video is for you. Let's dive in and demystify the concept of coding workshops. Before we delve deeper, it's important to understand what coding is. Coding, or computer programming, is the process of writing instructions for computers using languages they can understand. Think of it as teaching a computer to perform tasks. Now, a workshop is a brief intensive course, a seminar, or a series of meetings emphasizing interaction and exchange of information among a usually small number of participants. In a coding workshop, participants are taught how to code. These workshops are often hands-on, meaning you get to practice coding, not just hear about it. They can be suitable for all levels, from beginners to advanced programmers. Key activities include learning programming languages, like Python, JavaScript, etc., building projects, creating small programs or applications, problem-solving, working through coding challenges, collaboration, sharing ideas and solutions with others. There are many benefits to attending a coding workshop. For starters, they're a great way to learn coding in a structured environment. They also offer networking opportunities, meet like-minded individuals and professionals, hands-on learning, gain practical experience, guidance from experts, learn from experienced instructors. Boosting your career, coding skills are highly valued in many industries. As an English language learner, you might find some technical terms challenging. Here are a few tips. Use a glossary. Keep a list of technical terms and their meanings. Practice English in a coding context. Try to read and write code comments in English. Ask questions. Never hesitate to ask for clarifications. I hope this video has shed light on what a coding workshop is and what you can expect from it. Remember, coding is a skill that can be learned with practice and persistence. Don't be afraid to start small and keep building your skills. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.